Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and by the title you guys already know it's a Coach bag. I got your girl gifted herself a Coach Tabby top handle bag. And if you want to get into, I'm going to get into the specs, how much it costs, and all that jazz. So if you want to find that all out, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Make sure to subscribe to your girl's channel. Press the big old subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you can get alerted when your girl uploads. I'm going to be trying a different uploading schedule, so we'll just see how it goes. So without further ado, let's hop right into this one. Hop right into the video, because you guys know I don't like to, if my video doesn't have to be long, it's not gonna be long. So here she is. This is the box that she came in. She came in a bigger box, but I'll insert like the little Insta reel that I did here. But this is essentially her box that she came in. We're gonna open her up. First thing, we have the receipt. Since we have the receipt, I might as well get into how much I paid for her. She retails for $3.95, and then of course after tax and all that jazz, it was like $4.50 something, I believe. So in that ballpark. And I just love the little envelope, so cute. Also came with this cute little card from Coach, and it says, "Hey there, we have one more thing to brighten your day. Scan to try our Instagram filter." So I guess you scan right here and they have a cute little filter. I'll try that later. I didn't try that yet. Then we have another card that says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for this since 1941. A1. If you have any questions you would like to, we would love to hear from you." And they have the customer care number, all that jazz. So cute. Thank you, Coach. And then the moment of the hour of truth. Oh no, there's more. She comes in a nice little dust bag, as she should. And then okay, here she is, Miss Tabby, baby. So this is a Coach Tabby top handle, and I got her in the chalk colorway. She is so adorable. First thing I want to get into about her, I got her monograms. I put my initials. Wait, this lighting, it's like blinding lights like the weekend. AF, and I got a little heart. And yeah, this bag is very near and dear to me because I haven't bought myself anything luxury in a long time. And this was a gift to myself after my pop-up shop. I did really well. I surpassed my goal and I wanted to gift myself something. So this was a treat for me. So off bat, she has a pocket in the back, which is amazing, really good. I really like the size of this bag. I initially thought it came in 26, but it didn't. It only comes in 20. And yeah, she's a perfect size to put a lot of items in. I love the C detailing here. It's not too much. It just gives that nice little umph. You press the side right here and she opens up, and inside we have her strap. She has an adjustable strap, and then the inside it has a compartment right here, another compartment right here, then it has a zipper right here, which is great because that's where I will be putting my card holder and things of the sort. It also comes with, like, you know, the Coach authentic little card paper thingy in it. And close her up, and I feel like you could fit a decent amount of stuff. I could fit my phone when I get my new camera, because your girl is getting a vlogging camera. She could fit in here, my wallet, card holder, all that jazz, lip gloss, powder, all of that. It's the perfect size bag. I will be using the strap more just because I don't want her to get dirty. She is a nice chalk cream color, and this is my first this light color, like this bag. Like I don't own any cream or white bags, so this is the first one, and I feel like this gives a lot of elegance, give me an elegant vibe, and I love it. I love her. I will, like I said, be using the straps more often because I will be doing like crossbody looks, and yeah, I really love her. I know Coach has different strap options. I think I could go get like a chain strap as well, to swap it out as well, and I think they have like cleaner for the bag as well, so I think I just need to do my research on that because I was so excited about getting the bag. I didn't want her to sell out. And yeah, also Tabby pillow bag is a super popular one, and a lot of people have been getting that. I personally didn't get the Tabby because, for one, the colors that I wanted and the size that I want, the 26, was sold out, so I was just like, no, I'm not getting it. If I got that bag, it had to be in a 26-inch. But also, I just feel like it's a trendy bag. That insulated puffer pillow look is only gonna last but for so long. So I think the top handle is more wiser investment for long term. I feel like I could definitely wear this anytime. It's the perfect size. It's not too tiny as in the tiny bag trend or too big. So I feel like it's the perfect size, and I'll get a really long wear out of it. So Coach has definitely made a huge comeback. I remember back in the day when I was in high school, I had a little Coach sneakers. I saved my money up and bought some Coach sneakers, and there were the denim ones with the C's all over it. And everybody in my school had Coach sneakers. Like it was one point in time that Coach was really rocking it in high school. Even elementary school, my mom had like a really nice leather Coach bag. It was so pretty, like a nice mauve-y purplish color, pink purple color. Super dope. The leather was bomb. So Coach has been known for their great quality and price points for their bags. Like this bag, I feel like is definitely a luxury bag. $395 for a bag is amazing if for a luxury bag versus $1,500. I personally think this is a very affordable price point for a bag, and you're getting your money's worth because the quality is A1. And I definitely see the shift in Coach of being a little more youthful and catering more to a younger demographic, because I feel like their normal customer and clientele was a lot older, a lot more wealthier. So I feel like the creative director, I believe his name is Stuart Viviers, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. He came to the company in 2013. He worked with brands like Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, the list goes on and on prior to working at Coach. And I feel like he definitely brought like a twist and flair to Coach that was well needed. During the pandemic, he definitely started a campaign that helped really bring Coach back into its element and bring it back to the more, like I said, younger demographic, and I feel like it's going to be a hit, baby. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. There we go. Comment down below if you're feeling Coach, your thoughts on it. Will you be getting a new Coach bag? And yeah, thank you guys so much. Love y'all. Bye.